Hi there, in this how-to video we're going to be going through step by step on how to clean your tool with the pneumatic cleaning kit. First of all, check to make sure you have everything. Air tool oil, cleaner, cloth, pair of gloves, hole punch, sandpaper and gasket, and screwdriver. Remove fastenings and air hose. Use Allen keys in case. Put on necessary PPE. We're going to undo this one here for 5mm Allen key. Comes off, and we're going to clean this using the air hose, clean the filter. Cool, next step we're going to be undoing these four here, but only loosening them off. We're not going to be taking them all the way out. Now that these are just loosened off but not taken all the way out, we're going to either plug the hose in, or we can just, if we've got a gun, just blow it up and it should just pop off nicely. Carefully with the screwdriver, just go around the edges and try not to break the gasket. Now we're just going to take the remaining screws all the way out. Now we're going to remove the cap nicely. Gasket's still intact. Take you out and take gasket off. Now grabbing two battens, we're just going to separate them apart like so. Grab the cap so it fits in nicely with your 5mm punch and a hammer. I'll put it through the hole and just tap it out. And it should just pop out like so. Alright, first of all we're going to take out this O-ring here using a screwdriver. Also, I'll pop that one out there, just push it through the back, the valve. Now we're going to take off this O-ring and the outside O-ring. Using Delfast tool cleaner, we're going to clean it all. Little tip, when you're cleaning the inside here, use your punch, wrap it up in the cloth and get right in there and clean it all out. And once you've done that, grab your ear, done. Now we're going to take out the driver, like so. Take off the O-ring. Now we're going to clean all of this inside of there with the cloth and the Delfast tool cleaner. Now, if you're going to replace any O-rings, now would be the time to swap out O-rings, match them up with the ones being used. Throw away the ones you're not, put them all back in your hand and lubricate all the O-rings and like that. Now that we've got our bits and pieces all nice and clean, our O-rings lubricated, we're going to start the reassembling process. Now match up our O-rings. one there goes there. That one on the outer. That one goes there. That one there goes on there. This one here goes on there. And we're going to pop our fixed valve back in. Lubricate the inside of the cap. Inner, inside here, and around the bottom. Now we're going to put the spring in, back on, now pop it down, and we're just going to let the hammer pop that in, and it should pop in and out. Lubricate around here, inside there, and one drop in the stem before popping the driver back into place. Lining up in the hole. Reassembling this, it goes back in there. Gasket goes back on. Cap goes back on there. Screws line up, 1, 2, 3, 4, not screwing them all the way in. Now that we're putting it all back together, I haven't done up these 4 bolts tight, just enough so that way it all stays there nicely. Now you should be able to press this cap in and out. Now when you tighten them back up, put pressure on the cap. And it should all come together nicely. Final step, head on there, like so. Thank you for watching this pneumatic cleaning video, and I hope you find it helpful.